want to get on?
Kevin has to take her shoes off.
Oh,
No,
she's
she doesn't.
little.
She's little. She weighs less
Hey,
than you.
don't jump too much, okay? So fall down.
You know what you can do is sit down, and
Ooh.
there you go, and then make her do that.
I'm wearing white shorts.
Oh,
My shoes are pink.
your shoes are pink. What
Well, you can
color
take your
are
shoes
her-
off now, and we'll hold them over here. I just don't want you walking around and getting Aunt Sandra's floor dirty.
Oh, Lord. There's nothing you can do to that floor. Look.
Oh, now she wants to sit down. Come here.
I want to jump with my monkey, Mom.
She
Okay.
wants to jump with her monkey, Mom.
Katie, come here.
It's so funny to hear her say mom instead of mommy.
Oh, there's her ball.
What is that, Katie?
Oh, watch out, watch out.
Watch out, Maddie. Y'all are going to bonk heads.
Bubba.
Ball.
Maddie's
Okay,
favorite.
throw the ball. Throw the ball. Throw.
Mom, I think your phone's ringing.
Yay. Somebody's in there. Who's in there?
Daddy.
Katie! Katie, come get
Go
me!
it.
Come get me! Katie! Catherine!
Goodness.
Woo! Yay!
Why is Daddy not coming home to you?
She's
Who's
going to...
that?
Hey.
What's up?
Yay! Oh,
What's
come
up?
Here, your hands are all
Ellie,
Say, go like this.
Ellie, can you come up here? Yeah, I will.
A call from what?
Here, let's wipe your hands off.
Hey,
For who?
stop. Stop. Ellie's coming with us.
Really?
Hey, stop. You have to jump.
No, we can't jump too much.
I have to
Katie! Katie, come here!
I can jump higher, Mommy.
Yeah, you sure can, because you're a big girl.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Wow. Yeah, Petco would be your deal.
Jump, Ellie.
Wow.
Take off your shoes, Ellie. No, I'm going to keep them on.
She wants to keep her feet clean.
Very cool. But you have to wait till you're 17?
Oh! She's having a ball.
Oh, okay. Very good. Well, that's awesome.
Out the box.
So maybe you should try the pet business at a feed store. Oh,
Woo!
Lord. All right, sounds good. Okay, bye.
Throw the ball to me, Maddie. Oh! I'm going to throw it to you.